Welcome to AM's Crafty Life. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this baby shark charm. For the body of the charm, you'll want to take a ball of clay and roll it out on one side to make it look kind of like a cone. Cut a piece into the tail so you can put the back fin. You want to take a piece of clay, roll it into a ball, and shape it like a heart. Put that where you cut the end of the tail and blend in the sides. Now you'll want to make the back fin. You'll take a small piece of clay and shape it into a triangle. Place it on the back of your charm. I want the fin to be smaller, so I cut a bit off. Then using the needle tool to blend it onto the back of the shark. For the two front fins, take a small piece of clay and shape it into a diamond. Then I cut it in half. I want them to be a bit smaller, so I cut a bit more off of them. Then I use the needle tool to blend one on each side. Using a dotting tool, I made the holes for the eyes. Now for the bow, I'm going to take some purple clay and roll it out, cut 2 even balls and then a smaller one. The 2 even pieces I'm going to roll into a ball and then shape into tiny triangles. With the small piece, I'm going to roll it into a small ball. Now I'm going to add an eye pin to my piece to make it into a charm. I'm going to add some TLC to attach the bow. First I'm going to put the 2 triangles on, and then I'm going to add the small ball in the middle. Next we're going to roll out some black thin clay to make the eyelashes. Then using a needle tool, I attach them to my charm. Next, taking 2 even pieces of black clay and rolling them into a ball for the eyes. Then putting them in the eye holes on the charm. Then cut a small coil of black clay for the mouth, then attach it to your charm. Then bake according to your package instructions. Take out your eye pin, add a little bit of super glue to secure it to the charm. Now adding your jump ring and lobster clasp to make it a charm. Now I'm using a dotting tool and some white paint to make the white part of the bottom of the shark. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And this is the finished charm. Hope you liked this video.